Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about top 5 best online business schools in 2021. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. The following is a list of the best online colleges. Online schools have grown in popularity in the last decade, with many state colleges, and other recognized institutions now offering online degrees. Online degree programs offer a superior learning experience, as well as individualized convenience and flexibility, as well as the opportunity to develop your profession and build your own success. Number 5. Northeastern University, Boston, Massachusetts. Massachusetts Northeastern Institution was founded in 1898 as a private research university in Boston, Massachusetts is an R1 institution, doctoral university's highest research activity. The Carnegie Classification of Institutions of Higher Education classifies it in 9 colleges and schools across our graduate campuses in Boston, Charlotte, and Seattle. NU provides a wide spectrum of undergraduate and graduate programs leading to bachelor's, master's, doctoral, and graduate certificate degrees. More than 60 online degree programs are available at NU. More than 24 online master's degrees, including project management, respiratory care, leadership, and homeland security, and doctoral degrees in education and transitional physical therapy are among the online bachelor's programs. Accreditation. The New England Association of Schools and Colleges has granted Northeastern University accreditation, NEASC. The DeMaury McKim School of Business at Northeastern University is also accredited by the Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business, AACSB International. Number 4. Boston University, Boston, Massachusetts. In Boston, Massachusetts, Boston Institution is a private, non-profit research university. Although the university is non-sectarian, it has long been associated with the United Methodist Church. The institution is one of Boston's largest employers, with about 3,900 faculty employees and almost 33,000 students. Since 2002, Boston University has offered award-winning online learning programs that allow students from all around the world to achieve their educational goals and achieve a Boston University college diploma. Why did you choose Boston University? It provides highly regarded programs taught by world-class teachers in a flexible style. When you study online at Boston University, you'll have access to world-class teachers, highly motivated students, helpful staff, and academic programs that teach specific skills in some of the most competitive fields. Whether you're pursuing a master's degree, a bachelor's degree, a doctoral degree, or a graduate certificate, Boston University's innovative approach to distance education, deep commitment to online students, and trusted reputation are just a few reasons why Times Higher Education ranked BU graduates' employability as 6th in the world and 5th in the nation in its global U.S. employability rankings. Accreditation. Boston University is recognized by the New England Affiliation of Schools and Colleges, and is a member of the Association of American Universities and Association of Great North American Research Universities, NEASC. The Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business has granted Boston University's School of Management accreditation, AACSB International. Number 3. UMass Online, Amherst, Massachusetts. The University of Massachusetts Amherst is the flagship campus of the University of Massachusetts system, and is a public research and land-grant university in Amherst, Massachusetts, United States. With around 30,000 students and around 1,300 faculty members. The University of Massachusetts is a 5-campus public research university system known for the quality of its academic programs, the scope and excellence of its research, and its unwavering commitment to its goal of public service. UMass offers high-quality, affordable education that advances knowledge and improves the lives of people in Massachusetts, the United States, and around the world. UMass was ranked No. 52 on the Reuters Top 100, the world's most innovative universities, up 5 spots from last year. The Reuters rankings identify organizations that are accomplishing the most to advance science, innovate new technologies, and help drive the global economy, as well as reward innovative consistency for the first time in UMass history. All 4 undergraduate campuses have been ranked in the top tier among U.S. universities. UMass is one of the few university systems in the country to have each campus recognized by U.S. News & World Report's Best Colleges rankings, making it one of the few in the country. In the United States, UMass Amherst was placed 27th among public universities. The Best Colleges rankings from U.S. News & World Report. UMass Lowell, which has been praised in previous years for its remarkable rise in the rankings, has climbed even higher, to 78th among public universities and 152nd overall. UMass Boston and UMass Dartmouth tied for 220th place in the National Universities category, putting both schools in the top tier for the first time. UMass Medical School is ranked 14th in the nation for primary care education by US News & World Report, making it the best medical school in New England in that category. In the domain of research, UMass Medical School is ranked 50th. According to the Times Higher Education World University Rankings, UMass is the best public university in New England and one of the top 30 in the country. A Nobel laureate, Pulitzer Prize winners, National Academy of Sciences members, an American Book Award winner, and Fulbright, Guggenheim, MacArthur, and Mellon Fellows are among the UMass faculty. The list of the world's most scientific minds of 2016 includes 9 UMass faculty members. UMass is one of the nation's fastest-growing universities, with student enrollment increasing by about 27% over the last decade, from 58,939 in fall 2006 to 74,496 in fall 2016. UMass is the greatest producer of highly trained employees in Massachusetts, with over 300,000 graduates living and working in the state and 17,000 new graduates every year. UMass is the state's second biggest employer, with over 23,000 employees, in addition to being the state's largest educator of Massachusetts residents. Sponsored research and development at UMass has increased by over 50% since 2008, reaching a new high of $632 million last year. UMass is now Massachusetts' third largest research university, trailing only Harvard and MIT, and New England's fourth largest research university. Life sciences, data science, climate science, and advanced manufacturing, to name a few areas of research at UMass, are all important to the Commonwealth's economy. In fiscal year 2016, the institution received a record 66 U.S. patents and was rated among the top universities granted U.S. patents in calendar year 2015, ranking 24th in the country, 30th in the globe, and 3rd in New England. Accreditation. The New England Association of Schools and Colleges has granted the University of Massachusetts accreditation, NEASC. The University of Massachusetts institutions at Amherst, Boston, Dartmouth, and Lowell are accredited by the Association to Advance Collegiate Schools of Business, AACSB International. Number 2. University of Florida Distance Learning. Gainesville, Florida. In Gainesville, Florida, the University of Florida is a public land-grant, sea grant, and space grant research university. It is a senior member of Florida's state university system, which was founded in 1853 and has been operating on its Gainesville campus continuously since September 1906. More than 200 undergraduate and graduate degrees are available online through the University of Florida's Distant Learning Program. With top 5 MBA and education programs, UF is a leader in online education. Why did you choose the University of Florida? Academic excellence in the online world. The University of Florida is committed to giving students from all around the country and the world with the same fantastic programs and world-class instructors that they have on their main campus. University of Florida Network features online programs that have been approved for market-rate tuition at UF Distance Learning. When you graduate from the University of Florida, you will join a global network. Your degree will be highly recognized regardless of your profession, or where your career leads you in the world. You won't have to travel far to receive a UF online degree, because it's the same as one obtained on campus. Facts and figures. Accreditation. The Commission on Colleges of the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools has accredited the University of Florida, SACSCOC. Number 1. Wealthy affiliate. It is one of the world's greatest affiliate training systems. Training, tools, and support are excellent. It has a large community of people who all work together for the greater good. There isn't another training program that compares to this one. Do you want to start an internet business? This is where you should be. This site is fantastic because of the in-depth training, community, and various methods they assist you, as well as the customized contact with a large number of other top affiliates, and their knowledge that they are willing to offer. Every step is clearly laid out, and if you have any problems, you can ask them at any time through the process and receive excellent assistance and answers. To the summit and beyond, one step at a time. I'm in love with this show and am flying high with it. To learn more, check the link in the description below. What do you think about this video? Which of the following top 5 best online business schools in 2021 you liked the most? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.